Hi everyone, today I'm gonna share with you guys how to hide your folder and the file. Salut mes amis, j'espère que vous allez très bien. Mbote na bandeko nyonso boza kolanda ngai. Lelo na kotangisa bino ndenge nini omonisi konde to créer document na yo, ko créer folder to document na olingi sikoyo bato bamona yango te, obomba yango. Okay? Na kolakisa bino biloko wana nyonso tu, okay? Nde na obaka soki osala mituna botindela ngai yango. Merci mingi. So we're gonna use window 7. Okay, after we finish Windows 7 we're gonna go in 10, and then yeah, so I'm gonna put my password. So here I'm gonna create like a document, something like let's see, if we go here, let's say that I'm here. Okay, we click here, and then I'm gonna create I'm here inside. Okay, so I'm gonna go back. If we click here, I'm gonna go here, document, click there. So I'm gonna create the folder. Let's say I wanna create the okay, we're gonna click there. We're gonna name this DNS. Okay, so we're gonna click on it. Okay, so we're just gonna save it. All right, now we're gonna save this one. Okay, so this one is the document we created. Now let's say that this one we created, so we don't want people to see this. Okay, but make sure when you're doing this, when you go let's say that you go right here, you see here, in case you want to make it a little bit larger. Okay, so now if we go here, okay, and you're not gonna see what I really want to show you guys. No, so we're gonna close this, and when we go back, we go here, we go right there, we click on it, it's still here. Right now, if we go here, right click on it, okay, and you're gonna go right here, okay, and from here, you see here, you click on it, apply. Okay, it's gone, you don't see it. So when we close it, we come here, we go here, nothing is there, we cannot see it. So we have to know, let's say that you don't want people to see your stuff, right? So when you search, you cannot see it, but it's still there, it's right there. So we're gonna find that I'm gonna show you guys how you can see your document, the one you don't want people to see. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys. So for us to see our document, the one we just created, so we're gonna go right here, we're gonna go, we can even if we type let's see, we type Fire Explore, we can go from there, but in this case we're gonna go back here, we click here, okay, nothing is there, so we go here. When we go here, we're gonna click here, folder and search option. We click on it. Okay, so when we click on this, we're gonna go here, view. Okay, now in view, you're gonna see here, you click right here. Okay, when you click there, you're gonna click here, apply. Okay, and then you click OK. So right here, okay, I'm gonna go one more time for you guys to see. Okay, we're gonna go right here, we click there, the document is right here, we click on it, it's right here. Okay, now we don't want people to see it. Right click here. Okay, you go here, you click there, you're gonna go right here, you select this, apply. Okay, so we want to make sure that when we're doing this, okay, we want to sure that when we go here, okay, we go here, we go right here, make sure that we put this back here, because it won't work if we don't put it back. And then we click apply, we click OK, it's gone, it's not there. Okay, it's not there. So this is how we create it, but I'm gonna put it back. Okay, so we're gonna go back here, we're gonna click here, and we're gonna go right here. Here, you see here, we click here. Okay, apply. Okay, yango ezongi now. Okay, alors soki mpe nde tozala badocument mosusu oza na besoin bana bamona yango te tosala ndenge wana. Okay, sikoyo tokokenda biso na window 10. Okay, so I'm gonna turn this off. Okay, so now we're gonna use window 10. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys on window 10. Okay, so this is our machine. Okay, I'm gonna put the password. Okay, so tell me some more the pass out. So this one is window 10. All right, so we're gonna click here, and from here we're gonna go to document. Okay, we're gonna click here. You see, for example, we have a Guillain here. I created them like a few minutes ago. I just gonna delete it, and then I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, so now back here. So if we go here inside, right, so let's say we wanna create a we wanna create something here, and then let's create let's see, right click here, we're gonna create, let's call this okay, yeah, so we're just gonna give it the name. Gonna click here and say, or if we want, we can just rename this. Okay, we can just rename this, let's say okay, we click on it. Okay, we're just gonna save it. All right, and then we're gonna, so what do we have to do now? If we right click on it, okay, uklike na yango na liboko na katikati ya souvenir na yango, oye awa uklike awa, okoya na yo awa uklike apply, uklike OK, ebungi te. Donc raison ebungeli te soki toye awa, soki toye na biso ndeti awa, moni rezo bungilite una oyo ifoto tsango and check tulongoli yango ekebunga. Okay, soki tozongi na biso awa toye awa deti toloba de to clique awa toye awa toye na biso awa toye awa okay, na utsango za momene toye awa o clique na yo apply okomona ngo ekezonga yango wana ezongi clique na biso okay yango wana ezongi sikoyo sonde tozongi sango foto zonga awa tozongi awa tolongoli yango awa. Okay, toloba ndeti boye tikana nazonga tikana zaki naloba ndeti na ye awa na clique awa na ye awa toye na biso awa moni awa toye awa to clique nango apply. Okay, alright, toloba na biso ndeti toloba ndeti to delete na biso yango elongwe nango. Mais siko foto zonga so ndeti tozongi na biso sika tozalaki toye na biso sika tozongi na biso awa naloba na nakanga wana toye na biso awa. Okay, toye awa to clique awa. Okay, toye na biso awa to longola nanu oyo boy to longola na ndengo na. Okay, siko toloba to create na biso folder. Guys, we just gonna create a folder. Okay, we're gonna name this Ontario. Okay, now inside of it we're gonna create the text go okay, that's the one we created, and then we name it. We're gonna click on it. We're gonna put let's say fish. Or let's put okay, and then we save it. We save it. All right. Okay, and then we save this. All right, we save it. So when we go back, we close this. When we go here, we click here, and then this is Ontario we created. We click on it, and then we click inside of it. This is what we got. Okay, so Ontario is a folder, PSW and DNS is a file. Now we don't want people to see our document. We don't want people to see it. So we want to make sure that you see here it's not selected. So what we're gonna do here, so we go here, we click here, we go in document, okay, and then we click here, okay, right click on it, or click na kati na yango oye awa, okay. When you come there, you're gonna click right here, okay, you click apply, okay, you click let's see, okay, you click here, okay, it's gone, we don't see it. We can close it, okay, we can close the computer, we come here, we click here, nothing is there, we don't see it. Omoni tokangi na biso awa na tokangi document zate toye awa to click na biso place document zate mais document za wana siko poto mona yango for us to see. You see when you click on it you don't see the document. So for us to see it, we're gonna click here, we're gonna go back to show you guys how you can get it. So we're gonna click here, you're gonna go right there, okay, you're gonna click right here. You go here, or if you want, you click right here. Okay, and if you click here, you come here. Okay, you click here, and you're gonna click right here. Okay, and you're gonna click right here. You're gonna click apply. You're gonna click OK. It's right here. And when we click on it, right there. And we click on it, right here inside. You see? That's how we do it. Okay? Same thing if you have a picture. Same thing. Same thing.